laid architectural wrapping vinyls. Haven't seen it yet. The handle is made from garbage scrap wood that I literally found. And then the brackets I made.
Of this.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, the most difficult thing was just cleaning up the silicone. That was the old silicone.
Yeah.
But yeah, vinyl wrapping was easy. All just one sheet, all at one go.
We just installed these doors on Graham's channel and they look incredible. Graham used laid vinyl for this project and it's just amazing quality. I feel like this looks like it's wood.
Yeah.
In theory, if someone wanted to remove these, they would just use heat and peel them off the mirror.
Yeah.